Hello everyone, welcome to this channel गांव की English. Today uh, I talk about importance English. Uh, English is very important in our life. We can say English is very important role play all over the world. Like you can travel, you you can if you want to know in our in other if you want to know other country about like lifestyles and cultural, so you can speak English. You can you can foreign you can foreign people communicate easily. You can speak English to otherwise, so you can easily communicate foreign people. So uh, if you English is very important in our life, uh, because English is international language, because so every every country every country uh, so self native language use. So many people it is English is very important, and you can go foreign country, so you can easily communicate random person, and you can ask, and you can know about lifestyle. Most of the channels, TV channels, serials, and most of the news to news uh, about other country. So you can speak English, you can write English, so you can easily learn. If I talk about social media is many uh, channels, many platform like YouTube. With the YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, it is very important role play every sector. And if you want to know about most of the news, if you want to check email, WhatsApp, it is very helpful to communicate another person and communicate with the video call through communicate foreign country like American, USA, Ukraine. You can speak, you can talk, communicate every person. English is very important in education. Education uh, very helpful everyone life. So most of the people uh, to communicate, and most of the course available YouTube in English. Most of the books available in English. language. So it is a international language. So finally, that's all.